नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं गीतांश टीवी। प्रस्तुत है समाचार। ऑक्सफोर्ड पब्लिक स्कूल में मनाई गई डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जयंती। बाबा साहेब के बताए गए मार्गों के बारे में बच्चों को अवगत कराएं प्राचार्य। आज दिनांक 14 अप्रैल 2022 को ऑक्सफोर्ड पब्लिक स्कूल नारायणपुर गढ़वा में अंबेडकर जयंती काफी धूमधाम से मनाई गई। ज्ञात हो कि किसी भी राष्ट्रीय पर्व अथवा देश के महानायकों, उनके जन्म दिवस इत्यादि के अवसर पर गढ़वा के नारायणपुर स्थित ऑक्सफोर्ड पब्लिक स्कूल में बच्चों द्वारा अनेकों कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए जाते हैं। इसी क्रम में आज डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी की 131वीं जयंती मनाई गई। इस अवसर पर सानवी, रिद्धि, अवलिया, तनुष्का, प्राची, अथर्व, आशीष, आराध्य, अर्नव, गोल्डी, आयु, पीहू रानी, आरुषि, हर्षद, सूरज, आशीर, श्रेया, ताइमा, अनन्या, श्रेयास राज, सोनाक्षी इत्यादि बच्चों ने क्विज कंपटीशन, डिबेट इत्यादि में भाग लिया। बच्चों ने अंबेडकर जयंती के राष्ट्रीय परिदृश्य में महत्व को समझते हुए अपना एक से बढ़कर एक नूतन विचार व्यक्त किया। मौके पर प्राचार्य कृष्ण कुमार ने सभी को बधाई देते हुए कहा कि बच्चों को इस तरह का मंच उपलब्ध कराने में उनमें कई तरह की क्षमता का विकास होता है, जिसमें बच्चों में वाद विवाद, भाषण कौशल, तार्किक सोचने की क्षमता के साथ ही साथ अनुशासन इत्यादि सहित संपूर्ण मानसिक विकास होता है। बच्चों द्वारा प्रस्तुत कार्यक्रम की तैयारी में सभी शिक्षकों का, जिसमें सुमित कुमार सोनी, ममता टोपनो, नेहा प्रीति, अमित सोनी, नम्रता तिर्की, सूरज कुमार, सत्यप्रकाश, गोपाल कुमार, भारती मेहता, परमीत कौर, अलका लकड़ा के साथ समर्पिता बोस, अदृश्य मुखर्जी इत्यादि शिक्षकों का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा, जिसके मौके पर मौजूद अभिभावकों द्वारा खूब प्रशंसा की गई।
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today our entire nation is celebrating Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's birth anniversaries. I would like to extend my warm greetings to you all on this auspicious occasion. Our school is celebrating the birth anniversary of our great jurist, politician, philosophers, anthropologists, historians, economist and principal architect of our constitutions of India. A special congregation organized by our school students through speech, debates to discuss the importance of Ambedkar Jayantis. I believe time to time organize such events in a school is most important because it provides a platform where the students improve their critical thinking skills, acquire better speech delivery, speaking skills, increase students' retention of information, learn self-confidence, enhance teamwork, skill and collaboration. I am very thankful to our teachers who take keen interest to motivate and preparing students for organizing such events like speech and debates on the occasion of our Father of Constitutions of India birth anniversaries. I feel very proud to say that our school is fully committed to provide ample opportunity to hold our students for their overall developments. So thank you very much.
Ambedkar Jayanti is mostly celebrated in Maharashtra by Dalits because he always fought for the right of Dalits. Dalits were facing a lot of discrimination everywhere, and he himself has faced a lot of injustice in his life. Dalits were treated as untouchable. On 14th October 1956, he converted his caste from Dalit to Gujari. He was not easier than others, yet he never discouraged himself. He strongly believed that education should be provided all the situations of the problem of the society. He completed higher education in Bombay University. Thank you.
Very good.
Ambedkar was born in 14 April 1891. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was first Lord Chief of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was great politician. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891. His full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was the first Law and Justice Minister of India. He is called the maker of the Constitution of India. He adopted in Nagpur in 1956. He was given the title of Bharat Ratna in 1990. In 1956, he died due to the illness. Thank you.
Go again.
We are celebrating Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891. He fought against caste system. He is called the architect of Constitution. Thank you. About Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers for giving me this opportunity. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in the state of Madhya Pradesh. We celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti on 14th April every year. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was also known as the father of Indian Constitution. He was popularly known as Baba Saheb. Teachers and my dear friends, today I am honored to tell you a few lines about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Firstly, I would like to thank my teachers for giving me this opportunity. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on 14 April every year to celebrate Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's birthday. And was born on 14th April 1891 at Mau, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal. His mother's name was Bhimabai Sakpal. He was
सीबीएसई पर आधारित इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल ऑक्सफोर्ड पब्लिक स्कूल प्री नर्सरी टू क्लास 6 तक नामांकन प्रारंभ है। जल्द करें, स्थान सीमित है। दूर दराज के छात्रों के लिए यातायात वाहन की व्यवस्था उपलब्ध है। हमारा पता है ऑक्सफोर्ड पब्लिक स्कूल, नारायणपुर, टंडवा, गढ़वा। विशेष जानकारी के लिए दिए गए नंबरों पर संपर्क करें।